I'm Renita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how I make the Wafelbakkers buttermilk pancakes in microwave in 1 minute. These ready-to-microwave pancakes come in a set of 18 pieces packed in a plastic cover. It serves 6+ people. Inside there are 6 packets of pancakes in a set of 3 in each packet. As you can see, these pancakes are nearly cooked from both sides. That is why they take such short time to cook. Each packet can be torn and used. Others remain fresh. I took these pancakes straight from the freezer, so these pancakes are frozen. I have not defrosted them. To make pancakes, I took a microwavable plate where I placed 1 packet, a set of 3 frozen pancakes. I covered them with a tissue paper to preserve the moisture and microwaved for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the pancake is ready. It's really soft and yummy. Remember, each pancake takes 20 seconds to warm up. Thus, 3 pancakes is 1 minute or 60 seconds. If you warm up more or less pancakes, then the heating time will change accordingly. I served it hot with some butter on top, Kisan mango jam, and Signature's original syrup as per taste. Please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this from me. Please make it at home and let me know in the comment box how it was. You can also ask questions in the comment box. I always read them and answer them. I will be back with another tasty recipe. Till then, bye.